Hey look, it's Karthik, right?
Yes, sir.
It was a good inauguration ceremony yesterday. You look sharp in that suit.
Thank you, sir.
You seem to have adjusted well. I think Sathidar has mentored you well.
Yes, sir. Everyone has made me feel welcome here.
So listen. The government is planning these trains to transport oxygen across country.
So when is this going to happen?
The details are still thin, but it's going to happen after they decide on a name for it. Right now, the higher-ups have asked me to look for able loco pilots for this critical mission.
We have Satada, sir.
Yes, but I think he won't be returning for at least 2 weeks. Anyway, off you go. We'll keep you posted. You will partner with Rajiv starting today.
Oh, okay, sir.
Dhanda Pani, looks like your Satada sir is gone.
He'll be back, Rajiv.
I still can't believe you actually got this job. Whose recommendation did you have?
Not everyone has relatives in positions of power, Rajiv. Some of us have to work hard to succeed.
Oh, looks like I touched a nerve. We'll see how far your hard work takes you.
Array, call the DGR.
Hi, somebody pull the chain.
Looks like someone has pulled the chain.
Hurry, these people have no job. They keep pulling chain for no reason and make us late.
Satada sir taught me to hope for the best, but prepare for the worst.
Okay, stop talking and tell.
Attention loco pilot, this is the guard.
Manohar ji, Karthik here.
There is an emergency situation.
What happened?
The PTR just informed me that there is a pregnant lady traveling in coach S3. She is having severe labor pains and immediately needs medical attention.
Some passenger pulled the chain in panic. Oh, that's not good. Should we go back?
Go back? Are you crazy? We can't go back now. We have come too far.
Then we have to rush and reach Arakonam as soon as possible.
You cannot reach Arakonam in 2 minutes. It's impossible.
It's not impossible if I can carefully exceed speed limit.
You can't risk the lives of everyone for one woman. We can't do anything to save her.
Manohar ji, I am going to try and reach Arakonam.
Good luck Karthik, I will immediately reset ACP. We are ready to go.
Please inform the Arakonam station master so they can arrange for ambulance.
I will.
this is why I told Satada I didn't want to partner with you.
Will you calm down for a second? Things turned out okay at the end.
That foolish man didn't listen to a word I said.
Rajiv, you can't talk like that about Satada, sir.
The last thing I need right now is babysitting a newbie who won't follow orders. What you did today was way out of.
Unlike you, I trust my skills, Rajiv. I was confident about doing.
But I don't trust you at all. I am going to report this to the Raja. I won't partner with you ever again.
Hello Karthik, where are you?
Hi Kavita, I'm on duty today. I'm currently at Vanyambadi.
Some media people have come to interview the crew of yesterday's trip.
Interview? What for?
Apparently, the woman who had medical emergency yesterday is Minister's relative. Somehow, press got the news that Rajiv is already here. They are waiting for you. Can you reach in 10 minutes?
If there is no delay, I can reach.
Okay, then come soon.
Attention loco pilot. There is a massive track maintenance work going on ahead. Please slow down and follow the updated speed limit. Make sure you honk repeatedly to alert the workers.
Okay, thanks for the heads up.
This is the station master again. You have crossed the low speed limit zone now. You can get up to your cruising speed now.
Karthik, have you reached?
No, I am still on my way.
It's too late. The interview has already started. Rajiv is talking to the press.
Sir, what happened out there was incredible. You saved not one but two lives yesterday. Well, I was just doing my job. I did not think it would become such a media sensation. Did you know that the passenger was Minister's relative? I am just finding out the news from you. How did you decide you needed to take that risky call? Actually, my partner Karthik was strongly against it. But in my heart, I knew I had to do the right thing. Things could have gone very wrong though. I made a decision that even if this was going to get me fired, I should do the right thing. How do you feel that the woman is naming her newborn son Rajiv in your honor? Well, all I can say is I'm touched by her gesture. I wish the mother and child well. Thanks.
Hey Karthik,
Hello.
You never told me that your friend Rajiv did such a brave thing yesterday.
He's not my friend, and things didn't happen the way he put it.
He has become the talk of the town. You are lucky to have a partner like him.
Well, lucky me, I guess.
He said you were against his idea. I didn't expect that from you.
That's too bad. I need to go now.